Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Introducing the stationery that I'll be using today. This is the Doms Super Dark Pencil, Doms Eraser and Doms Aqua Pens. And also I'm using these Doms Bicolor pencil colors for today's tutorial. So this is the pack, this is how we get them. So in this smaller pack we get these 6 pencil colors with 2 shades on both the sides. So we are starting with the drawing. Today we are making a fire extinguisher. So we'll start with the circle. Drawing circle is very easy. Just make a C and then draw C in the opposite direction. So now we are starting with 2 standing lines for the cylinder. So we are drawing the basic figure with the pencil and later on we are going to outline it with the sketch pen. Now from the circle we are putting 2 dots and making a slanting line and joining it with the standing line. Now from here we'll draw a sleeping line so that both the slanting lines that we are drawing are same. Once we are done with this, we'll draw another slanting line and one more slanting line and join them together to make the handle. Now we are starting with the outline. We'll draw a small circle in between, outline the outer circle that we have drawn with the pencil. Outlining the handle, one part of the handle. Just look at the lines carefully. Drawing 2 curves here. And a square in between. We'll draw a fire sign inside it. This is just like a U and joining it with the zigzag lines. Now we are outlining the standing lines to make the structure of the cylinder, joining it with the curve that we have already drawn with the pencil line, completing the other part of the handle. This will start at the top of the circle. Just adding few more details. Now we'll be making the hose pipe here. So making a standing line, sleeping, curved, and then again a standing line. As it is passing through this small square, so we'll be extending the lines here with the pencil, which we are going to continue with the sketch pen on the other side, just to make sure that they are in continuation. Now making the mouth oval here. So we are almost done with our drawing. For all the stationery that I have been using in this tutorial, all the links are provided in the video's description. You can just go there and explore the products. Now I am erasing all the extra lines which are not needed, which we made just for our help to make the final drawing. Now we are starting with the coloring process. So I am using a black color, but see carefully that I'll be giving 3 different tones with the same color. So To do it in a lighter tone, you just need to hold the pencil very lightly so that there is not much pressure of the pencil on the paper and you will get this middle tone. So basically this is the middle tone of this black color. Now after this I will be adding a lighter tone. For that you have to hold the pencil even more softly. See, I am using the same pencil for this shade as well. So you need to just hold the pencil very softly and you don't have to put any pressure on the paper and you will get this lighter tone. Now I am adding a darker tone with the same color. Now I am just moving the pencil with little bit more pressure so that I get this darker tone. If you see carefully, we have got these three tones with the same color. It's just how much pressure you're putting on the pencil that gives you the tone which you want. So the more the pressure, you will get the darker tone. The lighter the pressure, you will get a lighter tone. Now we are starting with the red color. So just do the color in one direction and do not leave any spaces in between when you are coloring and you will get this smooth texture. Just follow this process and complete the whole drawing in the same way. We are adding a shade of orange as well to give more depth and volume to the cylinder. So we will be giving orange color on top of the red color that we have done in the whole drawing, wherever we have done the red color. Adding the yellow color in the fire sign. I hope you have liked the video. This is the last part of the coloring that we are doing for today. I hope you have liked the video. Do like and subscribe to my channel and do let me know in the comment section about this video. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.